The aim of our protocol is to fractionate the biomass and extract lignin in a single step. Using this method, lignin can be recovered by simple filtration after the treatment without adjustment of pH, but simply by adding distilled water.
The focus of this study is to evaluate the effect of this combined treatment on feedstock fractionation, its influence on lignin purity and yield, and its effect on the molecular weights and chemical functional groups in the extracted lignin.
The eutectic solvent microwave process is an ultra-fast, efficient, and cost-competitive technology for lignocellulosic biomass fractionation and lignin recovery with high purity.
Prepare the deep eutectic solution in a 500 milliliter round-bottom flask, as described in the text manuscript. Then place 5 grams of feedstock, 50 milliliters of deep eutectic solution, and a stirring bar in a microwave in a closed polytetrafluoroethylene reactor. Close the microwave container with an appropriate cap and attach a temperature cap. Place it on the edge of the turntable, ensuring that it is constantly agitated, and run the microwave for 1 minute. Using suitable gloves, take the container out of the microwave and let the mixture cool. Prepare a homogeneous anti-solvent solution and add 50 milliliters of this solution to the treated feedstock. Centrifuge the mixture for 5 minutes at 3000 times G. Filter the supernatant using a glass filter crucible. Collect the remaining cellulose residue and wash it by adding 25 milliliters of anti-solvent solution and centrifuging. Add the filtered lignin-rich fraction and the filtered washes.